task managers from class CC01. Let me ask you this. Are you always struggling to organize tasks, memorizing deadlines, and decide which task to prefer? Now, not anymore. Today, we introduce the task management system, a simple, easy-to-use tool made just for students like you. This presentation covers 8 key sections, starting with an introduction to our team and the motivation behind developing this system. We briefly outline the system's main features before discussing our project planning and progress. A live demonstration highlights its functionality, followed by a market analysis, evaluating its potential impact. Finally, we conclude with key takeaways and future directions. So, who are in our team? I'm Phát, and joining me will be Nhật, Phú, and Hưng. In today's world, staying organized is essential, especially for students managing multiple responsibilities and deadlines. Our motivation for creating the task management system is to provide users with a tool that helps them prioritize tasks, remain focused, and build confidence in their ability to succeed. By simplifying task management, we aim to support users in achieving their goals efficiently while minimizing the stress of their daily routines. The demands of a fast-paced world often lead to struggles in organizing daily tasks, resulting in missed deadlines, incomplete goals, and increased stress levels. Our motivation stems from addressing these challenges. A task management application can provide an effective solution, enabling users to track, plan, and complete their daily activities seamlessly. Our task management system is designed to boost productivity by helping users organize tasks and set reminders, making it easier to stay focused and get more done in less time. Clear prioritization reduces stress and prevents feeling overwhelmed. The system is accessible from anywhere, offering a convenient solution tailored to students' needs, filling a gap in the market for simple, effective task management. The project is about creating a simple app to help users manage daily tasks. Here we are using the modern stack for technology. We aim to have the following features in our system: add, edit, and delete tasks, mark tasks as complete, store data in the database, and furthermore, to have the application easily reach out to students, we want a user-friendly.
Now I will show you what we have planned to handle this project. Our 6-week project timeline provides a clear roadmap highlighting key milestones to ensure each phase is well executed, leading to successful project completion. In Phase 1, we'll define project requirements and design a basic interface. The team roles are structured for efficiency. 2 members handle front-end development, 1 focuses on back-end, and 1 acts as project manager. During this phase, we'll also finalize the technology stack and storage solution to establish a strong foundation. In Phase 2, we centers on finalizing the UI/UX design and system architecture. This includes designing an intuitive and user-friendly interface for core features such as the to-do list and task forms. We'll also define the project's file structure to ensure a clear and organized workflow. In Phase 3, we'll focus on back-end development. This involves creating routes, APLs, and the database schema. Core functionalities like adding, editing, deleting, and completing tasks will be implemented, along with secure task storage using a cloud database for reliability. During Phase 4, we'll integrate a reminder feature to notify users of deadlines and optimize the user interface for better usability. We'll also test critical features such as task management and reminders to ensure smooth operation. Phase 5 focuses on testing and debugging. Comprehensive tests will ensure stability and reliability. We'll optimize code and refine the UL based on feedback to deliver a polished, high-performing application. Finally, in the last phase, we'll perform system checks to ensure all features function seamlessly. We'll also prepare a presentation and demo content to effectively showcase the project and its features during the final demonstration. Now we will move to progress section.
My name is Nguyễn Quang Phú and I will continue with the progress section. Based on the plan section that Nhật has said before, now our team have summarized the key main steps that we need to do in this application. At first, we need to define the problem. As we have said before, our problem is that we have to deal with a lot of daily tasks And to help us to manage that, we will motivate it by creating this application to satisfy the need to order tasks and to help us to meet the deadlines on time. Then we search for those similar applications, we brainstorm down the ideas, specify some requirements, and then we design some mock-up view using Figma. After that, we build, we test, we reject, and then we store the last version of our application on GitHub. After doing them, we will conduct a SWOT analysis to analyze the advantages and disadvantages of our application. Then we make a conclusion on all the things that we have done. This is the mock-up view of our login page. This is our main dashboard that we use Figma to design this. Okay, so now let's jump into the demonstration section. This is the sign-in view of our application. As you can see that we have the Google and the Facebook icon, but in our application we only do for the Google authentication only. Here you can see, this is the view of the Google authentication. Then this is our main dashboard. It is divided into three main sections. On the left, there is a navigation board. You're gonna see here there's 4 buttons. This is for the main dashboard. This is for the to-do list. This is for the task management, and this is for some notes. And you can see in the middle section, you can see that it's divided into 3 subsections: notes, the to-do, and the task. And you can see on the right, it is the section that shows us about the calendar. And at the end, this show the codes. So this is the view of our to-do. This is the view of our task. As you can see, it is divided into 2 main parts: as the current task and the completed task. You can see there are 2 tasks have not done, and you can see on the right side, you can see the reminder set 2 over there next to the avatar on the top right corner. It is the part for this is the view of our notes. You can see that there are currently 3 notes. See, this is our main dashboard, and then I will click on the Google button to jump into the Google authentication. We click on Google account and we just OK to sign in. So here it will be our main dashboard. You can see that now the reminder set there are today tasks. Currently there are 2 tasks, and this is the avatar. At the bottom on the right side, you can see that is the William Shakespeare quotes, and this is just some random quotes that we fetch the API on. Now we jump into the to-do list. You can see there are currently 5 to-do things that we have to do, and we currently do 4 things over there. If we click on this and we jump back into the dashboard, you can see that it has been updated. Okay, now we will jump and so on. We can add a new things, for example. Yeah, you can see that we can add a new thing here, and it will update over there. We can delete them too. Example, we can search them. Example. Okay, now we are into the task section. As you can see, there are 2 tasks that have not currently been done. And here, when we click on a reminder, you can see that there are 2 of them over there. If we click on done, like we mark that this task that we have done, for example, I click on the task 2, it will jump into the completed task, and the reminder said there is currently just 1 more task that we have done, that is task 3. And we can add a new task, for example, task 4, with the average priority, and the deadline would be in the 10th of December. Yeah, you can see that now the reminder would be updated into 2. We can remove or completed tasks also, for example. Okay, so now let's do into the last part. That is the note box. You see that we can edit something like this and we save it over there. We can search for a note, for example, search for note 2, or we can add a new note. I call it note 4, for example, like new note over here. Okay, so that is the end of our demonstration section.
My name is Hưng, and now I will talk more about the analysis of task management system. First, going with the 4 B's of marketing, which are product, place, price, and promotion, all together form the cornerstone of any effective marketing strategy. And our team think that this element play a critical role in defining how the product meets the user needs, set itself apart in the market, and reach the right people who need it. About the product, we have some essential features like task creation, reminders, and progress checking, all wrapped in a minimalist design. And about the price, it's now completely free and open source on GitHub, but we may charge some fee on the user using our premium version with additional features for monetization. And about the place, you can get our product on GitHub, dedicated website, and on some online platform. And the last one about the promotion, we focus on 3 things, which are blogs and videos, social media fan base, and some community building. So I give you a GitHub that you can connect to get our shortcut to use our product. And now we will talk about the SWOT analysis. First thing about the strength of our product we have is the user-friendly interface, some essential features, and the flexibility that allow users to customize their task list. We also have some opportunity which the most one have that the market demand, increasing interest in productivity tools among individuals and teams. We also have some expansion feature addition like interaction with calendar or collaboration features could attract a broader audience. And we also have the gamification that adding rewards or progress checking could enhance user engagement. To get more insight, we can see that this is the task management socket market demand from 2018 to 2024 is ongoing increasing, and it is predicted that it will increase moreover until 2032. But we still have some weakness like the limited feature, and our product is still depend mainly on the web, so you cannot use it to run on the mobile. We also have to face some threats like many competitors, to-do list, Trello, Microsoft To Do. We also have to face the user retention, that keeping the user engaged and avoiding app abandonment can be challenging. And the product may have some technical challenges like bugs or usability issues that could lead to negative reviews and hinder adoption. So in the conclusion, we developing this task management allow us to apply lessons from professional skill for engineers such as SWOT analysis, the engineering design process, and resource management. It's also we revisit key concepts from software engineering, including requirement analysis, architecture design, database planning, and stack selection, ensuring a practical application of our knowledge. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. And if you have any question, please send us your question.